In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view your HubSpot marketing contact tier. Understanding how to monitor your marketing contact tier in HubSpot is essential for managing your account effectively. It allows you to keep track of your contact limits, avoid unexpected costs, and plan your marketing strategy with confidence. Whether you're new to HubSpot or just need a refresher, I'll guide you step by step through the process to ensure it's easy and straightforward. If you don't already have a HubSpot account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to log into your HubSpot account. This is your starting point because accessing your account is necessary to view your marketing contact tier. Once you're logged in, take a moment to locate your business name. You'll find it in the top right corner of your dashboard. Now click on your business name. This will open a drop-down menu with several options. From here, look for the one labeled Account and Billing and select it. This is the section where all your account-related settings are stored, including billing information and usage details. Once you're in the Account and Billing section, you'll see several tabs at the top. Navigate to the one called Usage and Limits. This is the tab that contains detailed statistics about your account's usage. It's where you'll find the information you need regarding your subscription limits and the number of marketing contacts you're working with. Now, on the Usage and Limits page, take a moment to review the information displayed. Here you'll find your current marketing contact tier clearly outlined. You'll also see the total number of marketing contacts in your account. This data is crucial because it helps you understand how your contact list impacts your pricing tier. Knowing this allows you to better manage your budget and optimize your marketing efforts. It's a good practice to check these numbers regularly. By doing so, you can ensure you're staying within the limits of your chosen plan. This helps you avoid any unexpected costs and gives you the opportunity to adjust your strategy as your business grows or your needs change. If at any point you run into issues or have questions, whether it's about your current tier, upgrading, or even downgrading, don't hesitate to contact HubSpot support. Their team is there to assist you with resolving problems and making changes to your subscription as needed. And there you have it. You now know exactly how to view your HubSpot marketing contact tier, check your contact limits, and manage your account effectively. If you have any questions or topics you'd like to see in future videos, feel free to leave a comment below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.